everybody, welcome back. C-Ray Tech here. So, I got a big box, and I've been really looking forward to this big box. So let's open it up and see what it is. So, any of you guys been paying attention to what I've been doing online lately? It's been two things. Quads and 3D printing. So, I'm very excited. I am very excited about this. So this is a SainSmart Cr10 Mini. I really like my monoprice select fitting. It's been really awesome to me. The one thing that it lacked was the build area. It's a little small. So I wanted to find something that could give me that extra bit of build surface so I'd be able to print larger prints. And Cr10 Mini is going to give that to me. So, let me go ahead and pull this out. This is packaged really well. Really well. I'm going to pull the pieces out. I'm not going to do any assembly. I just wanted to show you guys this. I'll do a whole different video on assembly. Because all this is really cold still, and I want to let it acclimate to the temperature before I start putting it all together. But yeah, stay tuned. Cr10 Mini videos coming up. Bigger, better, badder prints coming up. And yeah, hopefully some new cool content. Let me know what you guys think. I've been really enjoying 3D printing, and I've been thinking about starting a second channel that will revolve around 3D printing in the RC world. So let me know what you guys think. If that's something that you would be interested in, leave me a comment, and I will definitely look into creating a second channel for that. But yeah, I'm super excited. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll have a video put together once all this gets to room temperature and I start putting it together. I'll have a build video for this. And yeah, I think it's going to be all for me today, guys. So as always, fly safe and fly often.